Hey guys, welcome to this video. Cody Gertz here, and I want to show you guys today how to make $300 on Clickbank. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, maybe you've seen some of my other videos on how to make $100, $200, now $300 on Clickbank. Guys, I'm showing you this because this is my journey starting with Clickbank, and it has been nothing but amazing so far. Okay, so there's three things that you need to keep in mind when choosing a Clickbank product. Okay, number one, do you believe in the product? Okay, so this is going to take some time to do some research. Go in depth, find out if you believe in the product and its services. What kind of value does it provide to your industry? Does it relate with your followers on Facebook, your followers on YouTube? Whoever your audience is, make sure that you believe in the product and that it relates to your audience, okay? Number two, who is the leadership behind the company? Who is the owner? What is his vision? Do you guys resonate with their vision, or do you have another vision? Maybe they're talking about network marketing, but you're in sports and health nutrition. Okay, those two products are not gonna coincide. Does that make sense? You guys have to pick a product that you're gonna believe in, and number two, you understand the leadership and you relate with the leadership of the company. Okay, and then the third and last thing is this product scalable? Okay, a lot of Clickbank affiliate offers, a lot of Clickbank products, I guess you could say, are very low ticket items. They're $40 a month, $20, $10, those, and you're maybe earning 40 to 50% commissions, which is like $20 per sale. Okay, so yes, a very low end item, but you want to know that this product has scalability, okay? Because there's going to be some people out there that can afford, a $1,000 product, but they don't really care about a $50 product, okay? So you have to have that margin within a certain system, okay, guys? And actually, I provided a link below this video for a product reveal, okay? I'm revealing to you this product that I'm using, and it's been consistently working well for me, okay? Now, we have 10 income streams to utilize within this product, okay? 10. So scalability is there. The vision of this product, the owner of this product, this is his legacy project, so it's going to be around for a long time. And two, this is a product that's building a skill set that I can use in any industry. So it's ultimately making me an independent entrepreneur. Okay, so how cool is that? So the vision, do I relate with his vision? Yes, that's there too. Okay, and then number one, do I believe in it? Absolutely. I've done a lot of research. I've been in the online space for about 2 years now, and this product, this program is better than anything that I've ever seen. Okay, guys, so if you want access to this product, I'm actually going to be revealing it to you in the link in the description below. Okay, consistently getting me results, and as you can see, it's scaled from last month, $100 last month, and now almost tripled that this month. Okay, and it's not even over yet. Okay, still have about 10 days left of this month to utilize. Okay, so it's just going up. If you guys want a great Clickbank product, my number one recommended product, check out the link below in this description, okay? If you got some value from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.